voice here. I changed the battery.
Come out to Janine.
Older than 6, I think they get bored really fast. Very cute.
Hey everyone, today I'm doing a review of this cool megaphone voice changer, and this is for kids. It's a fun toy. Basically what they could do is that they could change their voices into different things. So they could change their voice as a child, alien, ghost, robot, spooky, and monster. They could record it, it has siren, and they could play it back to listen. So it's a really fun gadget. If you're looking for something fun and different, I absolutely recommend this brand.